It's not always easy to be an encourager, especially when it might make you a target for teasing. But God will give you courage to take a stand. And eventually, people will respect you for it. How much better it is to be an encourager rather than a provoker and discourager. So don't give up, spread positivity, spread love, and not hate. The next time you are tempted to tease someone, think of something kind to say instead. Learn to say compliments. Appreciate your friends, your neighbor, or your family, your mother or your sisters, even your workmates. Then you would see life is much better without hate. Spread love. Have a great day, everyone.